construction of a triangle ABC given the perimeter and the two base angles. Let the perimeter be 120, the base angles ABC and AC 30 and 45 degrees respectively. We start off by drawing the baseline, simply a horizontal line. Here I need now to set off the given perimeter. The perimeter is 120 millimeters. So with the aid of our ruler, this time I will use my set square, 120. 120 millimeters. Using your set square, you will draw from this point. You are going to set your set square using your t-square as the base. At this point, point A, you draw a line at 30 degrees and your 45 in this direction onto B in the opposite direction. So you have a given triangle. This is the big triangle. Now what I need to do is use my compass to bisect the angle at A and to bisect the angle at B. Bisection of triangles. Sorry, bisection of angles, that is. Describe any radius. I describe an arc like this. Consider this point and that point. And then I start here by setting at this point, and on the open space I want to scribe an arc. Reproduce the same procedure using the same radius. I reposition now here and I scribe. It's going to give me another point of reference. I want to join there. Same process. Now I need to bisect this angle. I set my compass, scribe an arc, consider the two given points, and here to the top. Okay, similar process. Point of intersection must be joined to B. And here I have a point that is going to help me obtain the required triangle. So now at this point I want to set my set square. So my set square at this point, remember I'm using a 30 degree set square. It's this 30 degree. I will slide until it touches this point, and I will draw another line. In a similar manner, I would use now my 45 degree set square, and from this point I want to construct or draw, that is, another line. The required triangle is A, B, and C. That is the required triangle. So I will use object lines, to obtain the required triangle. The last thing to do would be to give name to the point. So we select some point here, any point, any distance as well. I want to set 5 millimeter here. Above this point must be labeled, so above I will give any space, and then I set 5 millimeter. Likewise here, and then I'm good to draw the guideline. So I will use my t-square, here to the top. And there I have the points being labeled. The last thing to do would be to label. So this is triangle A, B, this point is C, this point is F, D, E. Okay, so A, B, C, then we move here to the left. E, D, and last but not least F. Okay, so we have that triangle. The last thing to do now to complete the drawing is subtopic. Any given distance, remember, it needs to be below the drawing. We don't normally place above or around, but below the drawing. So any given distance, and 5 millimeters. And again, do not worry about the length of these lines. These are construction lines. On the right triangle, capital letters. Given the perimeter, I'll write it below. And to these angles. Okay, and that completes the construction of the triangle given the perimeter and the two base angles. Thank you.